Can't quite believe this. I moved the house to about 7 years ago, and the first bike I got to ride round for a bit after that kind of horrible thing that happened with Connor Jenkins and KLC Videos, my old YouTube channel, which is a lot more successful than this one. I had to shut it down, unfortunately, due to him being involved in it and all that other crap. Was this? This is a Silver Fox Oasis Downhill. Use the term downhill very loosely. It came with a D&M air shock, which I have got for it. I'll show that in another video because I forgot to go grab it. But it's just a D&M coil and air shock. Air is actually like the damper, so it's very strange. Pretty solid box section frame. Almost looks like a direct copy of an Orange. It certainly isn't anywhere near that kind of quality. I'm pretty sure it's the same as the Barracuda drop zone frame they did. But yeah, I was running around on this frame. I had a set of Mazzocchi. No, I ran a set of Mazzocchi bombers on it, but it came with D&Ms originally. I had those in a previous video, which I got off the same person I got this from. But yeah, I wasn't aware he had this, so hey, that's kind of cool. Still got the original Bigfoot cranks on it. Now, unfortunately, this has got a cracked head tube. I sold this thing working many years ago, about 7 years ago, and now it's circled back round again. And it's definitely the same frame due to where some of the scratches are and things on it. It's definitely the same one. 100%. Absolutely 100% about that. So yeah, it's kind of weird and nostalgic. It's also the same size. I think it's a 15 or a 16 inch. Should say down there. I think it was a 15, if I remember rightly. So it's a bit small. And it's got that crack in the head tube there. But I'm a qualified aluminium welder, so I can weld this thing. I'll probably weld it and plate it. When you weld stuff like this, it does affect the mechanical properties of the material because it's usually heat treated after welding. I'm not going to be doing that because frankly our heat treat department would make an absolute mess of this thing. It would end up needing a lot of straightening and that would be horrendous. So I'll weld it and plate it. It's not going to do any big jumps ever again, but it will be an electric bike. The dropouts are quite beefy. At least that one is. In fact, it looks like it already has been an electric bike at one point. No, I didn't make it into one. You see the thread marks on there where it looks like the axle's been rubbing on it. I'll get rid of these horrible, I think these are Tawny shifters. They're all in one. Shimano Total Integration STI shifters. Bigfoot triple on the front here, and a Sierra front crank set. Can't remember if it was a Sierra or something else that came up on the rear. Also runs on nylon bushings, not ball bearings, and unfortunately at the moment I cannot move this swing arm. Oh no, there we can. I've got it moving a little bit. Yay! And it's pissing down with rain, and I'm getting wet. Yeah, that's very stuck. That concludes this video. It's absolutely coming down out here.